Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Robinson. I wanted to record this video because some of you were unable to access the Louvre online tour, so I thought that maybe I would take you through the first 5 rooms so that you can answer the questions that I am going to post very soon. So here we are, we're at the Louvre and we are in room 1 called the Crypt of the Sphinx. And what's very important here in this room is that you can see some information right here that you can read. And I'm going to start looking around the room. I'm going to move my cursor around to see what I can see. Oh, something popped up here. I click on it and I get a larger view of the Great Sphinx of Tanis. And I'm able to read some information here about the Great Sphinx of Tanis. Those are very important because those are where the questions are going to come from, here and also when I click on things in the room. Anytime during the video you can pause it and copy down the information. So now we're going to go to room 2, which is called the vestibule. So here I am in room 2, going to look around. Alrighty, first thing I'm going to do is read this information here. And I can also see that I can click on this statue and read some more information about this statue. All right, now I'm going to move into room 3. Room 3 is called the Nile. So let's look around this room. All right, let's see what else we can see. Aha, we have the spirit of the Nile floods. Oh, I went to room 7. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's go back to room 3. We have some model boats. We have a hippopotamus. Oh, we have Sobek Ray. It looks like some kind of crocodile statue. Oh, another model boat. All right, there's nothing else to see in this part of the room. Let's see if there's any other parts of room 3. Nope, so we're going to move to room 4 now. Room 4 is called the Work in the Fields room. See if there's anything we can click on. Remember, don't forget to read this information here because some questions you may find some answers to questions there. Here's a fragment of the Book of the Dead. Some paintings taken from the tomb of Unsu. So this was actually a piece of rock that was taken from the wall. A model of a plowing scene. Here we have some statues called Bearer of Offerings. Let's see if there's another room 4 that we can go to, another part of the room. There's that plow scene again. Whoops. Here's our Bearer of Offerings statues. Oh, here's another piece of plaster that was taken from the tomb. It shows the making of lily perfume. Here is an artifact of a hoe. It's made out of wood and hemp. So this would be one of the tools that they used in ancient Egypt to do their work in the fields. All right, that's everything there is to see in room 4. So let's move to room 5, which is called the Livestock Rearing, Hunting, and Fishing Room. What can we see? There's another piece of a painting from a tomb. Those are some arrows made with reeds, wood, and flint. Oh, that's really nice. A scene of the Nile marshes. We know that the Nile River was very important to the ancient Egyptians. Oh, here's a painting of bull rearing, or when you use bulls in your fields, using them for farming or raising them to help you out in any way they can. Oh, look right here. Oh, we see a divine standard. Looks like a little statue of a mommy cat with her baby kittens. Cats were also very important to the Egyptian people. I'm looking to see if there's any other part of room 5 from a different angle we can look at. Oh, here's a menu. So maybe this is showing some foods that Tip and Mac maybe have eaten. That's interesting. Oh, we already saw that. Oh, here's another, here's an actual painting of bearers of offerings. You see that they're offering different types of items to the gods, mostly food and birds. All right, well, it looks like we have seen everything there is to see in the first 5 rooms of the Louvre Museum. One thing you might want to notice is everything here in the green is the wing of the museum that is dedicated to the Egyptian antiquities. You can see the name of it is Sully. Another thing I can see is how many different rooms are there. Every single one of those little squares is a room. I see it goes all the way to room 19. So there are 19 rooms in the museum. Anyway, that is all that we are going to look at today. I will post another video of some of the other rooms as we go through. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.